Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever heard whispers of a powerful AI model called Gemini, developed by Google? You might be wondering, is this cutting-edge technology actually available to me here in the United States? Well, get ready to dive deep because today we're uncovering the truth about Gemini's availability in the US. We'll explore its current state, its potential applications, and what the future holds for this groundbreaking AI. Gemini is no ordinary AI. It's been making waves in the tech world with its impressive capabilities. From generating human-like text to translating languages with incredible accuracy, Gemini is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But here's the burning question: can you, as a US resident, actually get your hands on this powerful tool? Let's cut to the chase. Currently, Gemini is not widely available to the general public in the United States. Google has been carefully testing and refining Gemini, releasing it in limited capacities for specific purposes. For example, some developers and researchers have been granted access to Gemini through Google's AI Test Kitchen app. This phased rollout approach is quite common in the AI world. It allows developers to thoroughly test and refine the model, identifying and addressing any potential biases, safety issues, or unintended consequences. Gather valuable user feedback. This feedback is crucial for improving the model's performance and ensuring it meets the needs of real-world users. Develop responsible AI practices. Google is committed to developing AI responsibly and ethically, and a phased rollout allows them to carefully monitor the model's impact and make necessary adjustments. Even though widespread availability is still on the horizon, the potential applications of Gemini in the US are truly exciting. Imagine revolutionizing education, personalized learning experiences, AI-powered tutors, and accessible educational resources for all. Transforming healthcare, assisting doctors with diagnoses, developing new treatments, and improving patient care. Boosting productivity and creativity, automating mundane tasks, generating creative content, and unlocking new levels of innovation across various industries. It's important to remember that the responsible development and deployment of AI are paramount. Addressing ethical concerns, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems is crucial to avoid unintended consequences and mitigate potential risks. Promoting inclusivity, AI should be accessible and beneficial to everyone, regardless of their background or socioeconomic status. Fostering public trust. Building public trust in AI requires open communication, transparency, and a commitment to addressing public concerns. So, what does the future hold for Gemini in the US? Google is likely to continue its phased rollout approach, gradually expanding access to the model while closely monitoring its performance and impact. We can expect to see Gemini integrated into more Google products and services in the coming months and years. As the technology matures and becomes more refined, we can anticipate a broader release to the general public. The journey of Gemini is just beginning. It represents a significant step forward in AI development and holds immense potential to transform our world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.